Hey there, welcome to English for Everyone. My name's Lisa. Today we're gonna learn how to avoid some common mistakes. Let's get started. This is not correct.
Now, in meetings and discussions in general, the conversation is flowing and it's nice, but you feel like you want to start talking about something else. You want to bring in a new topic. You want to bring up something else, right? So instead of saying to bring up, you can say to introduce. I would like to introduce, and whatever it is that you're introducing.
It's not correct to say to bring in a new topic. You can say bring up a new topic, but not bring in a new topic. When you bring something in, you introduce something new. You establish something new. You make something new that wasn't there before. For example, they brought in new regulations after the accident. It means they made new regulations. They introduced new regulations. They established new regulations. Let's practice. Did they bring in new regulations? That's right. They brought in new regulations. Good job. So remember, you can bring up a new topic, but when you bring something in, you introduce something new. You make something new that wasn't there before. Thank you for watching, and if you want to learn English and practice speaking English, subscribe to our channel. Bye!